Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NissanConnect Services for charging station routing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate NissanConnect Services for charging station routing, begin by ensuring your vehicle is equipped with NissanConnect Services. Next, download the NissanConnect app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Nissan owner's account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, connect your vehicle to the app by entering your vehicle identification number, or VIN. Follow the prompts to verify your vehicle, ensuring it is linked to your NissanConnect Services account. After the vehicle is linked, navigate to the menu within the app. Select the charging station option to view available charging stations. Enable location services on your device to allow the app to access your current location. The app will display charging stations nearby, including details on charging types and availability. Choose a charging station that suits your needs, and the app will provide directions to that location. In some cases, you may also have the option to send the route directly to your vehicle's navigation system. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the vehicle's Bluetooth system for seamless integration. Once you arrive at the charging station, follow any on-site instructions to begin charging. After charging, return to the NissanConnect app to monitor your vehicle's charging status, if applicable. If necessary, repeat the process to find additional charging stations during your travels. With these steps completed, you are now set up to use NissanConnect Services for efficient charging station routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.